Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to disable Google personalized ads on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, click on all services. Scroll down and click on ads. After click on ads, click on add privacy and click on, you will see add topics, suggested ads. So click on add topics, turn off this button. Click on the settings, second option, turn off this button. Click on third option, turn off this button. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.